Christmas has come early. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm literally so excited. There's actually no point in me explaining what this video is, as you've all clicked on this video for a reason. It's to see the iconic pink iPhone in real life. She's gorgeous. I may have had a sneak peek. In fact, this is kind of an unboxing, but kind of not, because she is all set up. Kind of cringe that I'm calling it a her, but I'm also gonna show you what's on my iPhone. Is it what's on my iPhone video really still a thing? No, I don't think it is, but who cares? Who cares? I'm sorry, this is too good a moment not to document. If any of you are hoping for this for Christmas or wanna treat yourself or treat anyone else, then I'm telling you now, you will not be disappointed. Oh my god, are you actually ready to see? I just can't believe I have a pink iPhone. Like, that is every girl's dream. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Da, da, da. Oh my god. Oh, Dad, you did not see that. So, this is the iPhone 15 Plus in pink. 256. What's that? Bra strap? It's really not cute. 256 gigabyte. Honestly, what more could a girl want? I have just got this clear case on it for now, which I just got off Amazon, I believe. So, okay, let's just get straight into showing you what's on my iPhone. I have sort of started to customise it a little bit, and I'll also show you a couple of customisation hacks, which I feel like most people already know about, because, not gonna lie, I'm pretty late on the bandwagon, and I didn't know myself, but I feel like most of you know. But just in case there's someone that was like me and was behind at the times. Okay, so the lock screen. The lock screen is a good place to be. Now, I've got it set up as the photo shuffle. Just for the purpose of this, let me show you. That's what I clicked to customise the lock screen. If you're curious as to how to get the time pink, then I will show you right now. You just select the font you want at the top. Again, I feel like most of you already know this, and I'm really sorry if you think like, yeah, we knew that. But I just think there might be someone that wanted to know about this. And if I'm wrong, then I do apologise, but you can select the thickness and then the colour. So mine is this one. And then you can like change the intensity of the pink. Or I don't know, you might want blue. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm going to go for something along those lines, but that's just what I've done there. And then you can add widgets here. I've just got the weather on mine, which is BBC weather, because if you're using the weather app that comes on the iPhone, then you really need to stop that right now, because it's just rubbish. Honestly, BBC weather or Met weather, that's what you need for some accurate weather forecast. So I've just got the weather on there, and then my phone battery. But spice up your life, do whatever you fancy. Anyway, play around on there. Yeah, it's great fun. Just think about what app you use the most often and that you want the quickest to get to. It might be on your camera on the front. Pretty sure you can do that. Maybe I've just completely got your hopes up there. Or Spotify, that might be a good one. If you get in the car, you know, just want to quickly put Spotify on. I do have my lock screen on photo shuffle, so these are my photos that I've selected here. You can add photos from your camera roll. Yeah, whatever you fancy really, add them in. And then, done. You can change here whether you want your lock screen to change on lock when you lock your phone, or on tap the screen, hourly, daily, whatever floats your boat. Mine is on lock, and oh my god, this bitch is unlocked though. I would show you, but it's going to cancel my screen recording. So, in fact, let me show you on tap, just for the purpose of this. Ready? So cute, right? Are they? I feel like they're repeating though. Oh, they're on shuffle, that's why. That makes a lot more sense. That's that, if you're curious. Right, let's actually get into the iPhone. Does anyone else get really irritated by the numbers, the notifications, and the fact I have 25 messages unopened? I am that girl. Sorry to say it, I'm going to turn the brightness down, it's blinding me a little bit. Okay, so welcome to my home screen. It's really nothing special. I just have a really cute background, if I do say so myself. Got the bows going on there, love a bow at the minute. Really hopping on that trend. Would you like to see the hair today? You didn't ask, but I'm going to show you anyway. I got red bow in, that's what I'm trying to show you. I added a couple of widgets to my home screen, just got the calendar, and then this, how cute is that little heart? Sorry, that is really quite, that's quite wholesome from me. And then, oh, Disney Plus should not be there. Let's put you other. So let's just go through what I've got on my phone. I feel like this is so boring, but these videos used to slap. I used to love watching these types of videos. Wait, should I show you how to do the widgets? I feel like, again, you probably all know, and I've actually completely forgotten how I did it. Right, so go into Widgetsmith, search for that on your phone. Then you can create your own here. So I don't know if you want a small one or a medium, longer one or a large one. I'll show you how I did this heart one in case anyone is curious and wants to be cute like me. It's just something that's really not necessary, but also just, you know, just the little things, the little things. Okay, photo locket here. Theme, you go down and you choose pink ball, or I mean, choose whatever you like, but I went for this one. Photo, choose some photos, just for the purpose of this. Yeah, I went on to Aiden, and there you have it. Cute, right? Very cute. And then you just save it, pretty much. And then if you want to add it to your home screen, you go back onto your home screen, hold down, click add top left, and then you have to go onto Widgetsmith and choose, it's a small one, to add the small, and then done, hold down on it, edit widget, and then choose which one you want. So small locket, and you're done. There you have it. I don't want to of you, sorry mate, but it's really simple. That was the exciting stuff. More boring stuff, if anyone wants to stick around, I'll just briefly go through what's on my iPhone. I have to admit, it's really not exciting. But here you have it, my utility folder. We've got just the standard Apple apps, to be honest. Anything interesting on there? Don't really think so. I've got a social folder in which I've got Snapchat. God forbid I'm not on this for much longer. I know people have different opinions on this, but to be fair, it does have its benefits, Snapchat, but how long are we going to be on it for? Anyway, we've then got WhatsApp, my preferred choice, especially for group chats. Group chats on Snapchat. Ugh. Instagram, FaceTime, Yahoo Mail, because I'm a yahoo.co.uk girl. YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube Studio, which shows me my analytics. It's great fun on here. No one cares. Okay, keep going. Facebook, Google Meet, and Facebook Messenger. Those are the less relevant ones, you know. Keep them hidden away. Okay, then I have an other folder in which I've got Sky News, Amazon Alexa, Booksy to book my nails, and then Disney Plus. Finance, we've got my Hargreaves Lansdown ISA account, Monzo, Lloyds Bank, Santander, and PayPal. Photos, I've got my camera roll, my camera, and Visco. This is what I edit all my videos on, by the way. If anyone wants to know, just click add. Let's add a photo. Right, let's just do this one from Croatia. We add it into Visco. I go edit image. I always use C6. That is just my go-to. C6. Beautiful, stunning. Okay, and then I just basically go into this and do whatever, really. Turn the exposure down. I don't really edit my photos. I just like to add that filter and pretty much leave it as that. I love it. C6. It's beautiful, especially for like your summer holiday pics. That's my Visco. I'm pretty sure you said Visco. Yeah, Visco girl. Oh my god, am I a Visco girl? I bloody wish. In case anyone cares, I've got a uni folder. Oh, what have I got in here? Why is there two? I've got Outlook, Uni Days, Gusto, Coffee Number 1, Student Beans, ChatGPT, Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and United Taxis. That is what you need in Bournemouth, guys. Okay, then I have a health folder which just has my fitness, health, headspace, and calm, because as you know, I like my meditation. David Lloyd app, Flow app, because how I love being a woman. And my Fitness Pal. Shopping, Vinted, Depop, Tesco. It's getting so dry. Saramar and Moonpig. Finally, travel. I've got Railcard, City Mapper. Why are these like deleted themselves? train line, Just Park, Uber Eats, Bringo and Waze. I'm such a Waze girl. And then at the bottom I've just got phone, Safari, text and Spotify. Does anyone else see that those TikToks recently if you can get a pink Spotify? And I was like, oh my god, pink Spotify. And then I realised you have to choose between dark mode or a pink Spotify because you have to have online mode. I honestly, now I've been on dark mode for years, I don't think I could go back. I'm on dark mode on my laptop as well. Let me know your thoughts on that one because I really am a dark mode person. But I want a pink Spotify. Honestly, life really does throw its hurdles at you sometimes. Anyways, that is it for the video. Like, I'm just obsessed. I really am. Thank you so much for watching. I'm very grateful and lucky that I have this in my life now because the phone I had before, I had it for years, and if I do say so myself, I kept it in great condition. So now I just need to do the same with this one. But I've never had like the big size iPhone, I've always had the smaller one. So I'm very grateful. I know that I'm very lucky to have this, and I just want to say and reiterate that I'm super grateful. And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, sorry, quick little, how cute is this tree? Got it from the garden centre. I just think it adds a nice little to my room. I know I'm going now because I can see the lighting. It's not good. Okay, love you, bye.